Just check out this view from our room's balcony. Woke up at 6:30 a.m. to see this view of the mist covering the mountain's feet. By the way, that's the Chambar Peak, another famous tourist destination here in Wayanad.
Good morning and welcome to Wayanad. Welcome to day 2 in Wayanad. We have shortlisted few places for today, but for now we are just enjoying this beautiful resort. So this is the gym, pretty decent, and that was the pool which we saw yesterday.
It's time to refuel.
A few moments later.
Sitting here on the swing and admiring this view is my favorite pastime here, but I have to move it and get ready as I have to visit at least 3 tourist places today. So second day starts with 673 kilometers on the odometer. Okay, so as you saw on the Odo, the total kilometers from Goa is 675, which we have traveled in the past 3 days. Abhi breakfast bhi karke ho gaya, so we are heading towards Bansura Sagar Dam.
State Highway 54.
Bansura Sagar Dam is a tourist hotspot. Known for being India's largest earthen dam, it boasts of extensive natural beauty with beautiful flora and fauna, majestic hills, and mesmerizing waterfalls. The Bansura Sagar Dam is a photographer's delight and offers the most beautiful view from the top of the hill. The dam is the second largest of its kind in Asia. The dam is made up of massive stacks of stones and boulders. So made it here at the dam and the weather is nice and gloomy. Now abhi ticket lenge and we'll go on top. The entry fee is 40 rupees per head and we have taken the van pass, which is 25 rupees up and down. November to May offers the most ideal time to visit the Bansura Sagar Dam. Opening times are from 9 am to 5 pm. At the dam, I would recommend you to take the van pass if you or anyone in your group has any kind of difficulties in walking. Also, by using the vans, you won't save much time as the van waits for a minimum of 10 passengers before it starts from either points. And if there is a queue of people in front of you, then you would have to wait for your turn to come. The fare is 25 rupees per head one way. Here we are at the dam. As you can probably hear, the place is actually very windy. As said before, the mountains in the background just add to the beauty of this place. This time of the year though, water level बहुत कम है. I had read online that you can do speedboat activity over here, and I guess that's it over there. The crowd here is comparatively less on weekdays, and the best time to visit would be around 3 to 4 pm as the sun won't be that harsh. Trespassing to this green part is not allowed. You can even do a zipline activity over here. I guess that's the fastest way of getting down without walking or taking the minibus. Well, I'm not doing the zipline activity over here because I want to do it through a coffee plantation or a tea plantation. If you walk a bit further on the dam, you would also be able to see an array of solar panels. I've never seen so many solar panels at once. And wherever you look at, every angle is photogenic. You come from over there. These are the steps you will have to take if you don't take the ticket for this ride back. At the base of the dam, or at the exit and the entrance, which is common, there's this amusement park kind of an area, so you can check that out if you all are interested in it. So that was the Bansura Sagar Dam. Now we are going to another viewpoint. और उस viewpoint का नाम I'll put it up here on the screen. As you leave the parking area, you'll find a few shops here at the dam of refreshments and gifting items. Also, there is an exhibition hall which you can check out over here. On the first day itself, we noticed one thing. The roads here, the internal roads, are amazing. They're smooth, they are big enough, and it makes the commute from one destination to another inside Wayanad very easy. But the weather, on the other hand, is unpredictable. It might be sunny now, but in 10 minutes it might start raining. Or the place might just be covered in fog. But anyhow, it is a really nice experience. Also, the roads go from a normal forest area to tea plantation to a full-fledged city and back to mountain roads in a matter of minutes. The roads are really good, but it takes a lot of time to get from one spot to another, as they mostly go through town areas and tea plantations. Our next location, that is Lakkidi Viewpoint, is famous for its mesmerizing scenery. It is known for its 9 hairpin turns and offers a superb view of the mountains in Wayanad. The whole trip to Lakkidi Viewpoint promises an unforgettable charm of natural beauty that just adds to the attraction. Offering a bird's eye view of the magnificent surroundings, this place leaves you in a search of words to describe the panoramic vista that your eyes behold. Lakkidi is also known for receiving the second highest rainfall in the world, and its misty environment makes an unforgettable tourist place in Wayanad. This place does get busy, but lucky enough we got parking right in the middle of the mist. No matter where you go, ये कचरा करने की आदत नहीं जाएंगी लोगों की. Just have a look at this mist coming from all the way down there and going all the way up here. It's almost similar to Amboli Ghat, but I think this is much more bigger than Amboli Ghat. With another tourist spot done, we are heading towards our third stop, that is Pukkode Lake. In such conditions, be very careful and drive responsibly. If you cannot see anything in front, I would recommend you to check out for a safe place and park your car at the side of the road. Pukkode Lake closes at 5:30. Let's see if we come here tomorrow. So with the lake closed, we are heading back to our rooms. Okay, तो Lakkidi Viewpoint से हम लोग अभी रूम आ चुके हैं and we tried to go to the lake, but you all saw that the lake was closed. Viewpoint is very beautiful. Viewpoint is very beautiful, but हम थोड़ा लेट पहुँचे and उधर बाद में पूरा fog है. आप लोग ने देखा क्या हुआ. Now we'll have some tea or something and यहाँ पे local shopping करेंगे. Kalpetta is the largest town and municipality in the Wayanad district, state of Kerala in India. It is a bustling town surrounded by dense coffee and tea plantation and mountains, of course. Kalpetta is also the main hub of tourism activities in Wayanad due to its central location within the district and its proximity to most visited tourist places. There is a good number of hotels and resorts within the surrounding of the city of Kalpetta. And this is our stay for tonight. I like these lights curved. So this brings us to the end of day 2 here in Wayanad. Yeah, I'm vlogging in the car because it gets a bit quieter as the car is kind of insulated from outside noises. And tomorrow we will check out the glass bridge and do some more activities in the same area. So tomorrow's video will also be really very fun. Let me know how you all found this video and this location, Wayanad, in the comment section below. Until then, thank you so much for watching, sharing and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.